What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. One break of the 2013 contenders for you tonight. But first, a bad break drawing for the last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. Here are the entries. And we'll randomize the list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is Richard M. Congratulations, Richard. We'll get that emailed out to you tonight. And now for tonight's break, 32 spots, 1 team per spot. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy the results. Paste them against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Here is the roster for tonight. And here's the box for tonight. You know, you have 24 cards, 5 cards per pack with 5 hits or 5 autos per box. And here we go, pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Matt Ryan, Navarro Bowman, Justin Blackman, and Stevie Johnson. Jordy Nelson, Trent Richardson, legendary contenders for the Niners, Jerry Rice. Going to Tyler, Reggie Wayne, Troy Polamalu. Torrey Smith, Adrian Peterson. First hit going to the Giants, Michael Cox, a rookie auto. Giants going to James N.O. That one a normal run. Eli Manning and Matt Forte. Matthew Stafford, Wes Welker, Denard Robinson, Stephen Taylor, Steve Smith, Doug Martin. Darrelle Revis, Ray Rice. Bravo one touch. For the Bills, rookie on-card auto, E.J. Emanuel. Congratulations, Richard M. You're getting that one. That one a normal run. Again, normal run will have these stars in the 4 corners. The short print variations will have no stars. Drew Brees and DeMarco Murray. Sam Bradford, Alex Smith, Golden Tate, Pierre Garcon, and Des Bryant. LaShawn McCoy, Frank Gore, Flacco and Torrey Smith, Arian Foster, Chad Haney. Aaron Rodgers, Greg Little, Lamar Miller, Joe Flacco, and Andrew Luck. Greg Jennings, Chris Ivory, Demaryius Thomas, Antonio Brown, and Steven Jackson. Darren McFadden, Ryan Matthews, Sidney Rice, Brandon Marshall, and Cam Newton. Deshaun Jackson, Anquan Bolden, DeAndre Hopkins, Vincent Jackson, RG3. Reggie Bush, Mark Ingram, Mike Wallace, Tony Romo, Andre Johnson. Christian Ponder, Stephen Hill, Vance McDonald, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Danny Amendola. T.Y. Hilton, Calvin Johnson, Joe Flacco, Kenny Britt, Maurice Jones-Drew. Eric Decker, Chris Givens. Rookie auto for the Texans, Ray Graham. Texans going to Barry R. Now on a normal run, CJ Spiller and Stephen Ridley. Dwayne Bowe, Marshawn Lynch, John Elway, Matt Chubb, Victor Cruz. Matt Ryan, Navarro Bowman. Rookie auto for the Bucks, Mike James. Bucks going to Brian P. Now on a normal run, Andy Dalton and Jonathan Stewart. Jordy Nelson, Trent Richardson, Rex Burkhead, Theo Riddick, Carson Palmer, Alfred Morris. Jacoby Ford, Eddie Royal, Rashard Mendenhall, Marcus Colston, and Peyton Manning. Russell Wilson, Michael Vick, Joseph Randall, Michael Leslie, Ryan Tannehill, Chris Johnson. Colin Kaepernick, Brandon Whedon. Rookie of the Year contenders, Eddie Lacy, Bilal Powell, and Mario Williams. Jared Cook, Jamal Charles, Philip Rivers, Antonio Gates, Terrell Pryor, and Philip Rivers. Ben Roethlisberger, Julio Jones. Rookie on-card auto for the Niners, Marcus Lattimore. Going to Tyler. And that one a normal run. Hakeem Nicks and AJ Green. That's my last pack for tonight. Jay Cutler, James Jones, Zach Ertz, Tom Brady, and Larry Fitzgerald. That'll do it for the Tuesday night breaks. We're going to be off tomorrow night, back on Thursday with a 2-box baseball break. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Tuesday or Thursday night.